with the skin of a lion. On your way to the Americas, Silo, your plane landed at the Gambia. Gambia received so much rainfall to an extent that President Yahya reported to the airport. He came to you and said, my king, the rainmaker. You went to Shepton School in England. As you were to enter the gate of the Birmingham Palace, the gate vibrated and the soldiers shivered up on the window. It was the face of Margaret Thatcher. She said, who is that one? That looks like Msirigas, the son of Mashobane. On the other side, it was the face of Margaret Thatcher. She said, who is that one? That looks like the son of Lomanza Jengamandi. Who is that one? That looks like the son of Buzasem Colonel Setadlin. Bangano to Wandaba. Bangano Bubem Shaba. Bayete! Weno Pagati! Bayete! Weno Pagati!
Funva mwidukulu wa Bwamiki, mwidukulu wa Naika, mwidukulu wa Nabirio, mwidukulu wa Kitimbo, baba kongotera ku ikonero okulwani badadabo. Baba olikalera baana, baba iwe kungane okungane n'ababise. Baba olirujirwanga dda, olitufiira mu kifuba. Baba ise bantu oyakweregangamu asookanga kutaife wansi. Baba tulirwenkulinga kumpulira isanu. Baba ise bantu olikisanasana tikinabwa nteze. Baba era bakinaza mwana mulwaire olumunaza tyazaana. Baba ise bantu olikyayi kya ku kigogo niwe okumya obusimizi. Baba ise bantu baba olibona mulala niwe wenka Katonda gwe yagana okuwaya kunaye. Baba idi nebinabaawo iddo. Baba ise bantu olini lyampiki tibali yakalanga. Baba ise bantu olusaga lwa kigogo tibalusiba ku kyesuubo. Baba oli mukonzi konzi tibagwesuubiraku. Baba oli mutungwa eziragunina nti baginoga bunoge. Baba yekadumbula oyakweriddaku n'amana obukambwe. Baba baba funvu waise bantu, funvu webyanda n'ebyanda. Baba ninze akasirikale kondi wano mu butono buno olakuyiddaku mwene n'alima n'ekiri mutuukaku. Funvu webyanda n'ebyanda, funvu wa baba, funvu ofuhu obusogeno okuva ku lwita makoli.
Sabe gono pagati ayete gange sindabo myami esabega unengwe kunemkhokha kunesilwane uloma kathakatha kasobuza uloma kathakatha shimbi yakhe wena phakathi bayethe mahlohla mlomnyama ngilonzatsha ngensamo oba yena Dr. King Mswati the son of Lobanza njengemandi, the son of Buzasem Colonel Setadlin. Repu Mswati with the skin of a lion because King Mswati is a lion. The only living proof that kings are obtained by God to reach his people. When other heads of states are asking for gold and diamond, milk and honey, you are simply asking for peace to school. On your way to Shepton School in England, your plane landed at the Gambia. Never received in a long time. Manajalo tuwanda bamanajalo mbube emhlaba hawe mafutsa silo bonke bafuna ukugqobisa mbube emhlaba bayethe wena waphakathi ngangezindaba umnyomi yesabeka athenga ndabothe izinkabo athenga amadodo athi amajasa ambhlingeni ngangezindaba unengwe kunemkhokha kunesilwane ngathenga ndabothe izinkabo athenga amadodo athi amajasa ambhlingeni unengwe kunemkhokha kunesilwane ngathenga ndabothe izinkabi wathenga amadodo athi amajasa ambhlingeni wena waphakathi bayethe unengwe kunesilwane umlutho wandaba ngimphefula amajosi igazi liyaphalala athenga ndabothe izinkabo athenga amadodo athi amajasa ambhlingeni Tengwa makuma kusale sipata siyawusale sibawula sawula inkonja nikalojiba Chona bathi bayisinga mababe baguqe nangananka amadolo Nemombona umkhosi uhlatshe ngibebeshe baka Madinani Wasinyabika yeheni maswati Wasinimambona indlavela kahle ngoba ijima liyahlasela nangananga imahlahla enhlambeni somkhanza ngako bakhanzanisa Uba yena uye wakhanza besuthu babhekile Bebapheka bobona umnye babusembiseni umnye babusethiweni Abusakata ke madlela ilangeni wathi nathina nokukhuluma ihlelo khona kuyathi ndulaba mokwajozi kubona kumadlela ngeke ngisara bomsathu baba bomsathu akusabhala ngompholo pholo emakhanza imadlosa
no
Never received in a long time. Umbube uyesabe kahlamathole sinyati. Mana njalo lo Thunganda bamana njalo mbube emhlaba. Hawu emafutsa silo bonke bafuna ukugcobisa mbube emhlaba bayethe. Wena waphakathi ungangezindaba. Umnyomi uyesabeka. Athenga ndaba wathi izinkabo wathenga amadoda wathi amajasi ambhilingeni. Ngangezindaba unengwe kunemkhokha kunesilwane kumathenga ndaba wathi izinkabo wathenga amadoda wathi amajasi ambhilingeni. Unengwe kunemkhokha kunesilwane kumathenga ndaba wathi izinkabi wathenga amadoda wathi amajasi ambhilingeni. Wena waphakathi bayethe.